All right, so in this week, we're going to review slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form you've seen before. It's y equals mx plus b, where your m is your slope and your b is the y-intercept. So these are the two things that I want you to take away from this week. So your slope, that's how steep the line is. So does it go like this? Does it go downward? Does it go almost kind of flat? That's your slope, your rise over run, okay? Your y-intercept, that is where your line crosses your y-axis. Okay, and this is important to know because we have to know where to start this line. It crosses a bunch of places, so we want to get a good starting point, and that's always my beginning, is the y-intercept. All right, so let's do some examples. So in this example, it says find the y-intercept of the following equation. So again, we talked about where these are. So in y equals mx plus b, this is y equals mx plus b. And they all have their own little space, right? So the m, I know it doesn't look like there's a number there, but there is a 1. So to know what the y-intercept is, that's your b. So we just have to look at what number is in the b place, which is the number 2. So my y-intercept is 2. All right, for the next one, find the slope of the line, simplify your answer, write it in proper fraction, improper fraction, or integer. So again, let's do this. We have y equals mx plus b. And my slope is going to be my m. So whatever number is in front of the x, that's my slope, my rise over run. So that's 1 over 7. So it says write your answer, so we can write it just like that. 1/7, that's our fraction. And the last example we're going to do is find the y-intercept of the following equation and then simplify. So again, y-intercept in y equals mx plus b. We have to know which letter is the y-intercept. Well, that's your b. So whatever number is right in front of b, and that's 3 over 7. It does say simplify your answer. Oh, I'm so sorry. It is negative 3 over 7. Almost didn't catch that. You don't have to put the parentheses. Sorry, you can just type in negative 3 over 7. But yes, so it's negative 3 over 7. Don't forget that negative sign because this is technically a plus negative. So don't give both the negative signs, just give it to the top number. But yeah, simplify your answer. You can't simplify 3 over 7 anymore, so that is as simple as it gets.